Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in the equation x divided by 13 minus 1 equals 1. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of solving for x. Make sure to have a pen and paper handy to follow along and practice the problem on your own. Let's get started. To solve for the variable in the equation x divided by 13 minus 1 equals 1, we need to isolate x. In other words, we need to get x by itself on one side of the equation. First, we start with the original equation, x divided by 13 minus 1 equals 1. In order to isolate the term with the variable x, we need to remove the number 1 from the left side of the equation. To do this, we will add 1 to both sides of the equation. Adding 1 to both sides ensures that the equation stays balanced. When we add 1 to the left side, the minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel each other out, which simplifies the expression. So adding 1 to both sides, the equation becomes x divided by 13 minus 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1. Simplifying this, we get x divided by 13 equals 2. This completes the first step in solving the equation. We have successfully isolated the term with the variable x on one side of the equation. Now that we have the equation x divided by 13 equals 2, we need to isolate the variable x completely. To accomplish this, we will need to get rid of the division by 13 in the equation. The opposite of dividing by 13 is multiplying by 13, so we will multiply both sides of the equation by 13. When we multiply the left side by 13, the 13 in the numerator and the denominator will cancel each other out, leaving us with x alone. On the right side, we simply multiply 2 by 13. So multiplying both sides of the equation by 13, we have x divided by 13 times 13 equals 2 times 13. Simplifying this, we get x equals 26. This means the variable x equals 26, and this completes the solution to the equation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.